Do you know the one word that native English speakers use more than any other word in the whole English language?
More than the? More than is? More than a?
Yes, more than all of those. The word is get.
Get. Just 3 letters, but so many meanings.
And today, we are going to learn exactly how to use it, like a native speaker, in real life, every single day.
If you have ever said, I don't understand get, this lesson is for you.
And if you think you already know get, stay with us, because we promise you will learn something new today.
Welcome to ACE English Daily. I'm Alice.
And I'm David. And today, we are going to master the verb get together.
This lesson is for beginners and intermediate learners, level A1 to B1.
We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we use real examples from real life.
So whether you're listening at home, at the gym, in the car, or on the bus, you are in the right place.
Before we start, if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to ACE English Daily.
We make new lessons every single week, and every lesson is designed to help you speak English with more confidence.
Hit that subscribe button now, and let's begin.
David, how many meanings does get have?
Great question. Today we are going to learn 15.
15?
15. But don't worry, we are going to take it slowly, one meaning at a time, with real examples, with practice, and with repetition.
Because repetition is how we learn.
Exactly. Now, are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's go. Meaning number 1. Get equals receive.
The first meaning of get is very simple. Get means to receive something.
To receive. Like someone gives you something and you get it.
Exactly. For example, I got a gift for my birthday.
I got a gift for my birthday. That sounds so natural.
Much more natural than I received a gift. Native speakers almost never say I received. They say I got.
So instead of I received an email, I say I got an email.
Perfect. Let's repeat that together. I got an email.
I got an email. I got an email.
And I got a message from my friend.
I got a message from my friend. I got a message from my friend.
Good. Now, imagine your friend asks you about your birthday. What do you say?
I got so many nice gifts this year.
Wonderful. I got so many nice gifts. That is perfect English.
Simple, natural, easy. Meaning number 2. Get equals buy.
The second meaning. Get means to buy something. We use it for everyday purchases.
Oh, really? So instead of I bought a coffee, I can say I got a coffee?
Exactly. I got a coffee sounds much more casual, much more natural.
I got a coffee. That does sound more natural.
You can also say, I got some groceries, or I got a new phone.
I got a new phone. I love that. It sounds like something a real person says.
Because it is. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I got a coffee.
I got a coffee. I got a coffee.
I got some groceries.
I got some groceries. I got some groceries.
Now, imagine you are talking to a friend. You just came back from the supermarket. What do you say?
Hey, I just got some food for dinner. Are you hungry?
Beautiful. I just got some food. Completely natural, completely real.
This is already so useful, and we are only on meaning number 2.
We are just getting started. Pun intended.
Did you just make a get joke?
I did, and I am not sorry.
Meaning number 3. Get equals fetch or bring. Okay, what is the third meaning?
The third meaning, get means to fetch or to bring something for someone.
Oh, like when someone asks you to go and get something from another room?
Exactly. For example, can you get me a glass of water?
Can you get me a glass of water? That means go and bring me a glass of water.
Right. We use this all the time. Can you get my jacket from the car?
Can you get my jacket from the car? Like go and bring it?
Yes. Let's repeat. Can you get me a glass of water?
Can you get me a glass of water? Can you get me a glass of water?
Can you get my jacket?
Can you get my jacket? Can you get my jacket?
Now imagine you are cooking dinner. You need some salt. Your friend is in the living room. What do you say?
Hey, can you get the salt? It is on the counter.
Perfect. Short, natural, easy. Meaning number 4. Get equals reach someone. Phone.
Get is really everywhere, isn't it?
It really is. And now, the fourth meaning. Get means to reach someone. Usually on the phone.
Oh, like when someone is not answering?
Exactly. For example, I can't get him on the phone.
I can't get him on the phone. That means he is not answering. I cannot reach him.
Right. His phone is busy, or he is not picking up. So you say, I can't get him.
I can't get him. Simple. Real.
Let's repeat. I can't get him on the phone.
I can't get him on the phone. I can't get him on the phone.
Now imagine you are trying to call your friend. He is not answering. You tell another friend. What do you say?
I have been calling David all morning. I can't get him. He must be busy.
That is exactly right. I can't get him. Perfect.
Okay, so we have 4 meanings: receive, buy, fetch, and reach on the phone.
That is right. And each one is used every single day by native speakers. Meaning number 5, get equals use a service.
Let's keep going. What is the 5th meaning?
The 5th meaning, get, means to use a service, like getting a haircut or getting a taxi.
Oh, so I got a haircut does not mean I bought a haircut.
Well, in a way it does, but more naturally it just means I used that service. I went and had it done.
I got a haircut. I got a taxi. I got a doctor.
Exactly. These are all services, and we use get for all of them.
What about I need to get a doctor?
Perfect. That means I need to see a doctor. I need to use a doctor's help. Let's repeat. I need to get a haircut.
I need to get a haircut. I need to get a haircut.
I need to get a taxi.
I need to get a taxi. I need to get a taxi.
Now imagine you have a headache. Your friend asks how you are. What do you say?
I feel terrible. I think I need to get a doctor.
Wonderful. I need to get a doctor. Natural and easy. Meaning number 6, get equals take transportation.
Okay, the 6th meaning. Tell me.
The 6th meaning, get, means to take transportation, like a bus, a train, a subway.
Oh, so instead of I am taking the train, I say I am getting the train?
Yes, for example, I get the train to work every morning.
I get the train to work every morning. That sounds so natural.
It really does. You can also say, why don't we get the bus? It is faster.
Why don't we get the bus? I love that.
Let's repeat. I get the train to work.
I get the train to work. I get the train to work.
Why don't we get the bus?
Why don't we get the bus? Why don't we get the bus?
Now imagine you and your friends are planning how to go somewhere. What do you suggest?
Hey, why don't we get the subway? It is much cheaper than a taxi.
Brilliant. Why don't we get the subway? Completely natural. Meaning number 7, get equals catch an illness.
Okay, I am loving this. What is the 7th meaning?
The 7th meaning, get, means to catch an illness.
To catch an illness, like getting a cold?
Exactly. I got a cold last week. I got the flu. Don't let me get your cold.
Don't let me get your cold. That is so useful.
We use it all the time, especially in winter. Let's repeat. I got a cold.
I got a cold. I got a cold.
Don't let me get your cold.
Don't let me get your cold. Don't let me get your cold.
Now imagine a colleague comes to work sneezing. What do you say?
Oh no, please stay away from me. I really don't want to get your cold.
Exactly. I don't want to get your cold. Perfect. Meaning number 8, get equals achieve a score or result.
7 meanings done. We are making great progress.
We are. And now number 8, get means to achieve a score or result.
Like getting a good grade on a test?
Exactly. I got an A on my exam. Or we got 3 points in the game.
I got an A on my exam. That sounds so much better than I achieved an A.
Much better, much more natural. Let's repeat. I got an A.
I got an A. I got an A.
We got 3 points.
We got 3 points. We got 3 points.
Now imagine your team just scored a goal in a football match. What do you shout?
Yes, we got a goal. We got a point. We are winning.
Perfect. We got a goal. That is exactly what people say. Mid-lesson review, meanings 1 to 8.
Okay, David, 8 meanings done. Let's take a quick moment.
Good idea. Let's do a quick review. Repeat each phrase after me.
Ready, let's go.
I got a gift.
I got a gift.
I got a coffee.
I got a coffee.
Can you get my jacket?
Can you get my jacket?
I can't get him on the phone.
I can't get him on the phone.
I need to get a haircut.
I need to get a haircut.
I get the train to work.
I get the train to work.
I got a cold.
I got a cold.
Excellent. You are doing so well. Now let's continue with meanings 9 through 15.
I am ready. Keep going.
Meaning number 9, and this is one of the most important ones. Get means to become, to change state.
To become? Like it is getting dark outside?
Exactly. It is getting dark, it is getting cold, it is getting late.
Oh, so we use get instead of become for the weather, for the time, for how we feel.
Yes, we almost never say it is becoming dark in everyday English. We say it is getting dark.
It is getting dark. It is getting late. It is getting cold.
Let's repeat. It is getting dark.
It is getting dark. It is getting dark.
It is getting late.
It is getting late. It is getting late.
Now imagine you and a friend are outside in the evening. The sun is going down. What do you say?
Hey, it is getting dark and it is getting cold. Maybe we should go inside.
Beautiful. It is getting dark and cold. That is perfect everyday English. Meaning number 10. Get equals become emotional/physical.
And what about emotions? Can we use get for feelings too?
Absolutely. That is meaning number 10. Get means to become emotional or physical.
Like, I am getting tired?
Exactly. I am getting tired. I am getting hungry. I am getting nervous.
I am getting hungry. That sounds so natural.
We use it for all feelings. I got angry. I got excited. I got scared.
I got excited. Let's repeat. I am getting tired. I am getting tired. I am getting tired.
I am getting hungry.
I am getting hungry. I am getting hungry.
I got excited.
I got excited. I got excited.
Now imagine your friend is telling you about a surprise trip to Paris. What do you say?
Oh my goodness, Paris? I am getting so excited right now.
Perfect. I am getting so excited. That is exactly how a native speaker talks. Meaning number 11. Get equals passive action. Something happens to you, like a passive action.
A passive action?
Yes. For example, I got married. I got hurt. I got fired.
Oh, so these are things that happen to you, not things you do.
Exactly. You don't do these things on purpose. They happen to you, or they happen with someone else.
I got married. I got hurt. I got promoted.
Yes, I got promoted is a very happy one. Let's repeat. I got married.
I got married. I got married.
I got promoted.
I got promoted. I got promoted.
Now imagine you call a friend with great news. What do you say?
Oh my gosh, I have to tell you something. I got promoted at work.
Wonderful. I got promoted. That is exciting news and perfectly natural English. Meaning number 12. Get means to improve, make progress.
Okay, number 12. Let's go.
Number 12. Get means to improve, make progress.
Like, I am getting better at English?
Exactly. I am getting better at English every day with every lesson.
I am getting better at English. I love that phrase.
And it is true for all of you listening right now. Every lesson, you are getting better.
Every single day, a little better.
Let's repeat. I am getting better at English.
I am getting better at English. I am getting better at English.
I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day.
Now, imagine a friend asks you about your English lessons. What do you say?
It was difficult at first, but I am getting better every day. I can really feel the progress.
That is beautiful, and it is true. Progress is real when you practice every day.
Okay, 13. Keep going.
Number 13. Get means to become accustomed to something. We say get used to.
Get used to. Like, I got used to waking up early.
Exactly. It means it was difficult before, but now it is normal for you.
I got used to it. I am getting used to it.
For example, I moved to a new city. At first it was strange, but then I said, I got used to it.
I got used to it. That is such a useful phrase.
Let's repeat. I got used to it.
I got used to it. I got used to it.